Hi, I'm Neil Peterson with LED Lighting Supply. Today I'm going to talk about upgrading 150 watt to 175 watt wall packs with LED. We have really two approaches. One is a retrofit, the other is a new fixture. From a retrofit standpoint, we can retrofit any wall pack from a 150 watt up to a 400 watt. Basically the retrofit kit mounts inside the fixture and will give you more light than you have now in most cases. As far as new fixtures, I've shown a wall pack flood and a semi-cutoff. We also have door wall packs and full cutoff wall packs. But to replace a 150 to 175 watt metal halide wall pack, you probably use our 45 watt wall pack flood and our 40 watt semi-cutoff wall pack. They all come in 5000K. They all have the ability to take a button photocell, industry standard button photocell, which you can also get from us. So if you have the requirement to upgrade some of your wall packs, please give us a call and we'll help you get the right solution. Thank you.